Today we're talking about the DD16022, our rig-based cordless core driller for reinforced concrete. Now, this thing's got electric gears and an LCD monitor for total control of the device, and the drill bits come in 2 to 6 1/4 inch diameter. What makes this thing so unique outside of its small, compact, lightweight design and allowing you to be able to access tight corners is our unique water management feature, which is actually also battery operated. The water actually goes to the drill bit and then back into the water management system, and it filters, recycling it consistently throughout the day, which means you fill this thing up once, you can use it all day long, and you can core drill your heart out. Now, I've mentioned a few things about this core driller, but I want to take some time to show it to you in action, so let's take a look. That is the DD16022 cordless core driller. If you need light, compact core drilling, this is the product for you. Head on over to Hilti online to find out more.